Hello everyone, how you doing? Hope everyone's okay. Summer is almost here. Oh, what did I get today? The cats want to go out. And of course he sneezes right over it. But what is it? Either cat decided to sniff the stand. You fucking piece of shit. Look at all this. I think the box and the wrapping weighs more than the book. All right. So, Charger 2005 to 2018. I had this for the Crown Vic, but when I sold the Crown Vic, I gave the manual to the guy. I still had the one for the Monte Carlo. Now this was a bit more expensive than when I bought it for the Crown Vic and the Monte Carlo. Basically twice the price, but I always prefer these books. Wow. First time I got one brand new. So you got one for the V6, the V8, and pretty much from A to Z. Tune-ups, overhauls, the correct procedures. Here's for the V6. Here's for the V8. The tolerances, what to check for. I like these books. They help out a lot. All the trouble codes, electronics, emissions, exhaust, brake. Diagrams. A long time ago, would you believe it? I understood these, but since it's been over 10 years, I've touched it. Yeah. So, a little something I spoiled myself with. And there's the other one. That big rat. 42 pounds. The price have gone up, but if you can afford it, I always recommend buying these. Goodbye, YouTube.